Hey guys, it's Naomi. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I will be doing a lip swatch and a review of the new Atomic Makeup Spring 88 collection. This collection is inspired by the 80s and is one of their most vibrant, bold collections yet, and it's a limited edition. Each silky matte glimmer pop liquid lipstick retails for $13 and a bundle of 5 shades retails for $58.50. But with my affiliation discount code Naomi T Grant, you will be getting 15% off. Now that we've gotten into the pricing, let's get into the quality. These are not metallic, these are glimmer. Glimmer is a mixture of glitter and shimmer, and to see the subtle glimmer, you have to pop your lips together. It's really cool and super innovative, and I haven't seen a product like this on the market. Consistency of these lippies are amazing. It's smooth and silky, and you can apply multiple layers without your lips feeling dry or chapped. I've tested the longevity of these lippies on multiple occasions, and they're very long lasting. It is not a lip stain, so do not eat anything oily because it will come off, but I would definitely give this product an 100 out of 10 when it comes to comfort, staying power, and pigmentation. I usually add 2 layers just for extra color. However, it's not necessary. As you can see, 1 layer is very pigmented. All of Atomic Makeup's products are 100% vegan, cruelty, talc, and gluten-free, which is amazing. A lot of big companies do not do this, and it's amazing to see a smaller company be able to execute this. I still feel like my products are just as glamorous, just as luxurious, and the pigmentation is amazing. Thank you so much, Atomic Makeup, for giving me these products and also a discount code for me to share with my followers. I love you guys so much. Please follow them on Instagram because we do live videos on their Instagram page together, and I would love for you guys to tune in and chat with us. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tap on the notification bell below so that you guys can get alerts whenever I post new videos. I'll leave my information for my Instagram as well as Atomic Makeup's Instagram and their website below, as well as my affiliation coupon code so that you guys can get 15% off. I love you guys. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. And if you have any recommendations for any videos in the future, feel free to comment below or send me a comment under any of my Instagram posts. Thanks so much for watching and enjoy that 15% off with Atomic Makeup.